Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Asa and today I have a quick tool tip for you. This is my Dyson handheld vacuum cleaner. I really like it except it has one major flaw. The battery that it comes with by default is a piece of garbage. I've gone through two genuine Dyson batteries, one that came with the vacuum cleaner originally and one that I bought as a replacement. As of making this video, the genuine Dyson replacement batteries cost over $100 on Amazon. So I went through one battery, it failed completely and wouldn't charge, and of course this was just after the warranty expired. So I bought a second genuine Dyson battery, that one also failed. At that point I went to Amazon, I looked for third-party batteries, I read a lot of reviews, and I bought one that had a higher capacity than the original battery. That also failed, and that was fewer than 3 months. At this point I was super frustrated and ready to throw this thing in e-waste. Fortunately, I realized somebody must make an adapter for this so I can use my typical cordless handheld power tool batteries. I was super pleased to find this adapter. I think I bought it on eBay. I'll put a link in the description if I can find one. Installation is really easy. It takes about 2 minutes. And of course, attaching and removing batteries with the quick release is a piece of cake. Now these are expensive. To buy a 5 amp hour DeWalt battery as an example, it's about 75 bucks new. I bought some on sale for 65, but I recognize this is quite costly. Then the adapter costs about 30 bucks as well. I see this as a much better option than spending $30 to $45 on a battery that's just going to fail after a couple months. These batteries are great. They have exceptional lifetime. I can keep one in the vacuum while I'm keeping a second one charging, so I don't have to wait for it to recharge. In summary, if you have a Dyson vacuum and you're tired of the garbage batteries, buy an adapter. Hopefully you already have batteries for existing cordless handheld power tools. If you don't already have a collection of cordless tools and batteries, I recommend investing in these. The last thing I'll mention is that there's a couple of things you can do to improve the longevity of the battery. Make sure to clean out and replace your filter regularly. The only downside I can see is that the original wall mount that comes with this vacuum isn't big enough to leave the battery connected while you're storing it on the wall mount. You'll also need a tiny bit more space in your closet or wherever you store this to have a charger for your DeWalt batteries or similar. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you want more content on building, making, and crafting. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.